I can see that this is my moment. This is my time. And I'm gonna shine, 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 shine. And I'm gonna shine, 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 shine.
Hello, honey, my love, my sweetie. At sa aking nag-iisang ligaya, tandang-tanda ko pa noong unang gabi na nakita kita.
Nung college night, and ayun, lumapit siya sa akin bigla.
Solo lang siya eh. Parang bago lang siya doon. Kaya nilapitan ko na. Baka lapitan pa ng iba eh. Ako na kagad.
I ain't gonna wait no more. The world
First impression ko sa kanya ay parang chick boy, parang babae na lang. Pero mabait naman pala siya, napaka-simple lang.
This is my moment. This is my time. And I'm gonna shine, 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 shine. I can see that this is my moment.
Nung gabi po na yon,
This is my time.
maganda po siya. Baka pag narinig niya to, ano siya eh, magyabang eh. Sakto lang pala.
Tell ya I'm gonna own it. I've made up my mind. And I'm gonna shine, 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 shine. And I'm gonna shine, 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 shine. I'm gonna shine, 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 shine.
5 years, and today you have chosen this beautiful place with those people you love, family and friends.
Nagpapasalamat ako unang-una sa Panginoon dahil sa pagkakataong ito, sa ating mga magulang at kamag-anak at mga kaibigan.
In our 5 years of being girlfriend and boyfriend, I saw a man that is simple, family-oriented, kind-hearted, and most especially, a man that is committed to pursue Christ in life.
To my darling, nahihirapan akong hanapin tong bag na to. Yan ang gift ko sa'yo. Sana ay masaya ka at magustuhan. My love you, darling mo. Pamain po, just say MK sa comment section.
Tom, kamusta yung mga aso?
Okay na.
Okay naman.
Ang popogi ng mga anak ko. Ano, tingin nga sa mami.
Love, hindi ako magsawa na intindihin ka, mahalin ka, ingatan ka at alagaan ka. Hindi kita pagtataksilan. Ikaw lang, love, ang babae na aking mamahalin hanggang ako ay nabubuhay. I love you so much.
Sobrang ganda mo ah.
Thanks.
Now I am overwhelmed with joy because I am staring at the blessings that I always prayed for, and the Lord gave me more than what I deserve.
Panginoon, nagpapasalamat po kami sa pagkakataong ito. Sa wakas po ay patutupad na po ang aming pinapangarap na magkaming isa. Sa inyo po lahat ng papuri.
I promise to be here always. I love you more than any words can express. I love the man that I met 5 years ago. I love the man that I see in front of me right now. and I will love every future version of you that I get to meet. On this special day, in the presence of our Almighty God and all these witnesses, our family and friends, I pledge my love to you. I promise to stand by your side, to encourage your dreams, and to love you unconditionally. I vow to be your constant in this world of change, your comfort in times of uncertainty, your partner in adventures, and your greatest joy in life.
Like a river connects to the ocean, this pavement touches wherever we go. And white lines flying by, who knows what we'll find, you and me tonight. Drive, let's drive.
Hindi mo ako binigyan ng sakit sa ulo at siguradong ganun din naman ako sa'yo. Lagi mo akong napapasaya pag kumakanta ka.
From this day forward, you shall not walk alone, because today I give you my hand to hold, my life to share, and my heart to keep. I love you so much.